Mike Zero Fox X-Ray Bravo, welcome to my channel. If you like the contents, please like and subscribe. 7-3. FXB, thought I'd do some more video on this PTT network radio, the audio that's coming from Zello at the moment. But anyway, first things first, I'm just going to talk about this app called APRS Droid. Now you do have to pay £3.49 for it to transmit your position, but it just checked it now. Look, we send position like so, and then if we look on, put a little search in here, M0FXB-5, and then search, and then tap it here, M0FX-5. You can change the symbol and things like that. So that's just that. So let's have a little look at what else we're running here. So tap this square thing here, and you could hear it just now. You could hear Zello. So let's go back to Zello. Just turn it up a bit. So just to let you know, this is what we call a network radio. It's basically the same as an Android phone. It's running Android 6, but this particular one, the W5 model, does have a 70 centimeter analog radio built into it, which is actually quite unusual, especially for the price. They're about £140 UK. So as you can see, Zello, and there's lots of channels at Zello. You need to find the sort of channels you like. I recommend the ones are by G1YPQ on Facebook, Network Radios, group of channels, these blue ones. So search them out. Send me a message if you can't find them. But you can add all sorts of channels. So let's just go like so. So what else am I running? Well, obviously the Play Store. That's where I got APRS Droid from. That's where you'll get Echo Link from, Zello, Peanut, and things like that. On the Play Store, it's always best to create your account and log into your Google account. That's the best way. So now PTT wise, now this is the FM radio. I've got it set to the frequency of my All-Star node, which is an analog node downstairs. So if I key the mic, it would come back to me, but I'm not going to do that because it might step over the people that are talking on Zello at the moment. But it does work, and you can create memory channels here. Look, I've got All-Star, GB3ZB, GB3FI. It's a 70 centimeter radio. You just enter the frequency here, enter the frequency, enter the CTCSS, receive and transmit, step and power. I mean, it's only about 2 watts. And then you can save it, and it puts it here. And just some other information when you tap there. And to transmit, you either hit the PTT or send. That's the thing about it. So why buy a network radio? You know, some people will say it's not proper radio because it's using the internet. Well, you know, you buy it because it has a PTT basically, and it's like we're using a walkie-talkie, and volume up and down, and you can put microphones in, and they tend to have a micro USB connector for charging and for interfacing with your computer. So what else we got here? We got Droid Star. Droid Star will get us straight into the DMR D-Star. Does it do fusion now? Possibly it does. Yeah, NXDN. Yeah, YSF. So, and then you're going to need your settings. You're going to need your ham call sign, DMR number, you know, all those kind of settings. And once you've got them, then you can choose which one you want to use. I've got mine set here for DMR, but look, it could be D-Star and all that. Hit connect, and then you start talking to people. Obviously, there's more to the configuration of that, but it definitely works. I've already used it, and you can TX on the screen. I haven't tried this PTT yet. So that's Droid Star, again, an app you can download. Here is my All-Star node, which runs on just on an IP address, so I can control it. I can do audio tests. I can log into different rooms on it's G7RPG micronode. Look it up on the internet if you want to have one of them at home. Very good, because you can have any Bofung radio or any analog radio at all. You can have really strong, clear contacts around the world using the All-Star system. So I think that's about it. Well, no, there's more. We've got the GPS location there. That's all the satellites. So you've got to enable your location services for that in settings, which is just go settings, location, and you'll do that. The one we've forgotten about was actually Echo Link. So we got Peanut as well. Peanut, look. So Peanut, you need to go to PA7 LIM website on Google, put in Peanut. send him an email asking for a sort of like activity number, because you need it in the setup process. You've got to put in your code here, and then it will connect to all these different kind of rooms. In the Peanut system, a lot of XLX reflectors, but Peanut, all sorts of stuff. And then I think one we forgot was actually Echolink. So let's find Echolink. Pretty sure I've got that. There's Echolink there. So of course that's connected. We all know Echolink is connected to repeaters and links all around the world. You just use your call sign. My favorite one is always M0HOY HubNet Connect. You can do echo tests. All right, it says fail, but that's Echolink. Another one you can use. So all this stuff on a device that's £140. So I can, using this device, I can access DMR, D-Star Fusion, Zello, Peanut, Echolink, APRS, live APRS as well, GPS satellites, all this from on a nice big screen. And I can use the PTT on many of them. It's a nice loud speaker as well, and good audio reports. Make sure there's no dust in here. So I thought you'd find this interesting. So check it out. W5 Network Radio 7.3. All the best. FXB, I thought I'd do this video. I thought it would be interesting. We're on Droid Star and we're connected to HubNet Manchester M0HOY, which is an all-star node, but we're coming in via DMR using Droid Star. So Droid Star is an app that you can download from the Play Store. At the moment, you need to put in your DMR number. I'll just quickly show the settings. M0FXB, my DMR number, your self-care password, and then we've selected Brandmeister, and if you look here, we've got Brandmeister 2341, and you click connect and you're in, and we're on HubNet right now. So this is what I thought would be interesting. If we go home, if you've got one of these W5, this is a W5 network radio, go to PTT. Now hear it coming in now. That's actually coming in via analog. Let's turn it down. That's coming in via analog on my HubNet G7RPG HubNet Micronode box, which I shall show you now. So it looks like this. Inside is a little Bofung and a Raspberry Pi, and basically it transmits an analog signal. That's where, if you want to get one, that's where you go. Talk to Peter, very good quality. And any of my Bofungs will work on it, but right now we're using the 70 centimeter part of my W5 network radio, which are about £140. So here we are back at the radio, and this is an app that's in the radio, but it's using proper analog 70 centimeters. Okay, so now I thought, well, that'd be interesting because there's another way into this. If we go home, and we'll just do this live, go to Echolink. Obviously, Echolink, Peanut, things like that, they're all using Wi-Fi here. You can put a SIM card in this. We'll go to my favorite, which is M0HOY HubNet. Click on that and connect. Right, so now we are linked. If I do this little square, normally will let me go. Yeah, there you are. We are linked Echolink to HubNet, analog to HubNet, and Droid Star. So we've got our GPS thing there as well. So the thing about these radios, this W5.
Once you get up to 7 radios and then you decide you need more, you know, you got to put, you know what?
I need to turn down the correct one. I've got too many running. Let's
I think I need another radio.
We can shut them like that, look, see? So the thing about the W5 network radios, it's 3G only, so it's not great in that way, but it's got Wi-Fi, it's got Bluetooth, and it's got 70 centimeters, so they're about £140 delivered in the UK. You get a nice big screen. Obviously you can use things like Zello for network radios. So I'll just show you the Zello app there. There you go. Give it a minute to fire. So there you go, that's there. You've got different channels you can download. I recommend the network radios by G1YPQ, which you'll find on the Facebook page, to get the links for these blue channels that you can see. So anyway, I thought it'd be interesting having 3 lots of HubNet on the go. Turn the Droid Star back on there, look, coming in. Now Droid Star, to be honest, they do recommend it's for receive only. So just remember that, don't want to upset anyone. There's the settings again, have a good look. Settings that I've got in mine. and then you go to the main to connect and disconnect. And if you want to connect to a different room, so you would
Yeah, absolutely. There's some fantastic YouTube channels that
when you go into settings,
I'm actually
you just up here where it says 23526, you just change the number to the talk group you want, and then hit connect. So, like I said, we're in HubNet at the moment. 7.3, all the best. FXB thought I'd do a quick video. W5 network radio also has built-in 70 centimeters, but we are right now using Droid Star. So you can get Droid Star from the Play Store. I just checked. It's what's it now? Nearly November 2021, and it's on there. So it's working now. Just did a test. Let's see if he'll come through to me again. M0FXB, can I have another quick Roger on my audio being received? Chris, NAB, back to you. So just gonna see if Chris comes through.
It's always good to see NAB.
Yeah, thanks very much. Just showing the settings for Droid Star on my current video. Thanks very much. 7.3, all the best. Right, so okay, so that's working fine. I'll just show you the settings. So settings. So all you do, call sign, DMR number. Go a bit closer for you. I know it's not a perfect video.
T4NAB, M7DDK. Chris, will you make it?
There you go. You can turn the volume down. So Brandmeister password off of self-care, and that's literally really all you need. Then you go to main, like so. You get your thing, TX. You've got settings where you can change the mic gain further down, but this seems to have got good audio report. Really, it's not recommended for transmit, although you can, you know. So all I've done is put in, actually I'm on 2350. I thought I was on talk group 91, but no, I'm on 2350. I untick the private. Look, with this disconnect we hit here, but to connect, that would disconnect, and then to connect you just connect. And it tells you when you're connected. And then if you want to disconnect, try a different talk group, we'll just try 91, like so. And then we'll click connect, and that'll get us on to 91 if there's a possibility that my other hotspot's on 91. But you get the idea. It's quite simple. Don't really take any notes of the rest of this. Host and about, so main. So that's the W5 network radio on Droid Star, connecting to talk groups and Brandmeister. Hope you find this interesting. I do recommend this radio. It's 3G, but once you've got your Wi-Fi on it, you can do, you can do Zello, Echolink, Peanut, Droid Star. The other one I'm going to add is for APRS is APRS Droid. That's the one, and then we could even add a GPS app there as well. Let's have a look at that. So here it is with the satellites. Make sure you turn on location services in settings for this. But here's just a free app, GPS testing. How cool is that? So yeah, 7.3. Thanks for watching. M0FXB W5 network radio. Just thought I'd show you the GPS. I've got a free GPS app here. We just got it from Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. Like so, and just put in GPS test, and when you open it you get this. Now it won't work unless you turn on the GPS settings, so you just go home. It'll give you a message and a link to it anyway, to be honest. Go settings, and then you're looking for GPS. So scroll up until you get to location, like so, and then we've got that one there. And just make sure, see that location at the top there, make sure it's turned on. So that's how you get the GPS. Let's go back to the app, which does look very cool. Where has it gone now? Too many apps here. We will find it, honestly. Yeah, right in front of me. There it is there. GPS test, and that's it. You get the satellites, and you've got some other things here as well. Heading. Yeah, how good is that? It's excellent, isn't it? Not bad for a budget network radio. 7.3, all the best.